is softball day. I just got off work. Had early work this morning, so I'm missing my softball practice right now, but I think it's still going on, so I'm gonna head over there. So that really sucked. I came out to come play softball practice after work, but by the time I got to practice, everyone's already done playing, everyone's tired, so I didn't really get to play that much. It was already too late. Everybody was done. Everyone was time to go home. Now, I'm going home. I'm not sure why, but like, it's getting very, I'm not sure. What, you think you can get something here? What do you want? Come a little closer. Seagull. Come here, little seagull. Come here, little seagull. Come here, seagull.
Since you're at it.
Wait, you're going down, bitter. Ah! Scotch over. You're going down again. So, sorry, we were watching something.